my dear pupils! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today, you will learn another lesson in Mathematics 6. I'm Teacher Del and I hope you will like this video. And our lesson for today is about dividing simple fractions and mixed numbers. For today's lesson objectives, you will learn division of simple fractions and mixed numbers, and solve routine and non-routine problems involving division with or without any of the other operations using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us first have a drill. I want you to divide the following numbers. The first one is 12 divided by 6, 18 divided by 9, 81 divided by 9, 56 divided by 7, and 63 divided by 9. You can do this on your notebook. Now let's answer 12 divided by 6. That is equal to 2. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And 63 divided by 9 is 7. Good job! And now, let us measure if we still remember about reciprocals. Let's have a review on finding the reciprocal of the following fractions. First one is 1/4. Then we have 12 over 36, 3/8, 5/14, and 1/12. So what is the reciprocal of 1/4? Correct, that is 4/1. The next one, 12/36, is 36/12. 3/8 reciprocal is 8/3. 5/14 reciprocal is 14/5. And 1/12 reciprocal is 12 over 1. But what is reciprocal? If the product of two numbers is 1, then they are called reciprocals or multiplicative inverse of each other. Let us discuss our lesson for today. In situation number 1, dividing simple fractions. Here's a problem. A cloth 810 meters long was cut into 1/5 size. How many pieces were made? To solve the problem, we have to divide 810 by 1/5. You need to write the reciprocal of the divisor. For this given, the divisor is 1/5. So we will need to find for its reciprocal. So 1/5 becomes 5/1. Then you have to change the operation to multiplication. So it becomes 810 times 5/1. And now you can use cancellation if possible. So we are going to multiply or use cancellation. 810 times 5/1. We cancel out 5 and 10. So we have 8/2 times 1/1, or it is equal to 8/2. Because you just need to multiply the numerators and the denominators. Then the final answer will be 8/2 or 4. You always need to simplify your answer in the lowest terms. So for this problem, the final answer is 4. Let's proceed to situation number 2, dividing mixed numbers. Our given is a mixed number and a fraction. So we have 6 and 2/3 divided by 1/5. For this example, we need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. The mixed number here is the 6 and 2/3. So 6 and 2/3 becomes 20/3 divided by 5/1. So as you can see in this example or in this step, we also reciprocate 1/5 into 5/1. Okay, so there we renamed both numbers as fractions. Then the second step is that we are going to change the operation into multiplication. So we have 20/3 times 1/5. And with this one, as you can see here, we applied cancellation. So we cancel out 5 becomes 1, so 20 becomes 4. And then we're going to multiply the numerators and then the denominators. So we have 4/3 times 1, 1. That is equals to 4/3. Okay? Then, the final answer would be 4/3 or 1 and 1/3. Again, we just need to write the product in simplest form. As in the given, we have a mixed number. Of course, in the final answer, we will also have a mixed number. In situation number 3, we are going to divide two mixed numbers here. Same process that we are going to convert these mixed numbers to an improper fraction as you can see in the solution. Then follow the same procedure. Again, write the mixed numbers as improper fractions. Then, you can apply cancellation whenever possible. So, in this step, we will multiply 4/11, the reciprocal of 11/4. Use cancellation if possible. And then, multiply the numerators and the denominators. And do not forget to simplify the answers in lowest term or write it as a mixed number. Let us now proceed on how to solve routine and non-routine problems involving division of fractions. The problem is Adam made a trip of 164.5 kilometers in 3.5 hours. What was the average speed? For us to solve this problem, we have to follow the 4-step plan, which is understand, plan, solve, and check. So for understand, we have two questions. What is asked, or what are you going to find? That is the average speed in 3.5 hours. What are the given facts? It is 164.5 kilometers in 3.5 hours. In planning, what operation will you use to solve the problem? And that is division. What is the working equation? It is 164.5 divided by 3.5 is equal to m. To solve the problem, you have to carry out the plan. So, you can see the solution here in the presentation. You have to check also once you get the correct answer or your final answer. You have to ask yourself if you got the correct answer. And if yes, you have to justify. Yes, because 47 times 3.5 is equal to 164.5. Now I want to know, what have you learned today? As we always do. So to divide fractions, my dear pupils, you have to rewrite the division operation as a related multiplication in which you multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Next, multiply the numerators and the denominators and write the answer in lowest terms if possible. There goes our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel, Teacher Tell, and hit that notification bell so you'll get new updates on my latest videos. Again, I'm here, Teacher Tell, saying you will never know if you'll never try. Keep safe and goodbye.